Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Peace. Okay, this is a circled and butterfly dress. Now after marking it, I have to fold it in a circle form, then twist it round. For it to be circle form, I use 12 inches round. Can see, make it 12 inches. Then at this down part and the shoulder side, I have to extend it to 13.5 inches. So this is the neckline. You can see the neckline, and this is the down part, just to make it to be circle form. In order not to have this part curved much, this is the down part and the shoulder side. Then I open it up. If I open it up, this is how it looks. You can see it's a circle form. Now I want to pleat it. I'll be pleating this material to it round on the both sides. Now cut 2.5 inches on fold. I will pleat round the body. I'll cut as much as I can that will cover up the whole of the body. I'll go ahead and cut out . Okay, I've cut out all the pieces I need to pleat the body round. So I will join all the pieces together. I will sewing it on fold like so. I'll pick one of the dress. I'll join it together. Then I'll be pleating on it. Just go ahead and pleat round with the fabric. I'll print around this edge. The same thing, both the front and the back pieces. And I'll go ahead and use my bias tape and tape the neckline round. After taping it, then from the front side, it's very simple, very easy to achieve. After sewing round on it, what I needed just the waist measurement, which I'm using 25 inches. Now 25 divided into 4 will give me 6.2. I will make it 7 inches. Just from the shoulder, I'll just mark 11 inches. Yeah, this is at the front too, from the front. Then from this 11 inches, the waistline is 6.2. That is 25 divided by 4. But I'll make it 7 inches here. You can see. Then from this point, I'll just take it straight to this side. I'll make it an A line. You can see, like so. So I'll just run a straight stitch from here to here. That's all. Very simple to achieve. After using my fabric to pleat round the front and the back pieces, just fold your fabric together from the front side. Okay, if you don't want it an A, you can make it fitted and make it straight. From this point, just take it straight. You can make it that 7 inches straight to the down part. You can make it like so, 7 inches, 7 inches, 7 inches. If you want it fitted, you can do like, if you want it an A line, the difference is just extend it the way you want. If you don't want it here, you can as well mark 2 inches from here, extend it to here. That's all. So I'll go now and pleat on the bodies round, tape the neckline first, then I'll show you how it looks before I close it up. Now I'll go ahead and join it together. Now I've joined all the pieces together. The next thing is to pleat it on the body of the dress. This is the front. For the back, I'll put a slit on it, but that will be later. But I want to pleat it round first, then I will add the slit. So this is the second part. I'll go ahead and pick the edge like so. I'll go ahead and pleat. So at this down part, I will leave it open because we'll be using bias tape to tape the down part. Now fold this into two to make sure that I stop exactly where I stopped in this side. So from this side, I will start again. So guys, after pleating it round, you can see how it looks so beautiful. So the next thing I'll do is to turn the neckline. Now I'll cut the neckline. I want to put a facing for the neckline. Now cut the facing for the neck. So I'll place the neckline like so. So I'll place it like so and sew through the neckline round. Now for this back piece, I have to make an opening here, but it will not go deep. This is the center here. This is the center. You can see. That's the center. From this point I'll just come in. You can make it to the front or to the back. So I'll sew it to this point. That is, I will take it like so. I will sew through from this side to this side and from this side to this side, leaving this center opening. I'll leave it, I'll sew through this side and this side so that I will go ahead and open it. If you want, you can as well open it like so. You can see, just open it small. This is for the back. Then this for the front. You can as well use your bias tape. If you don't want to use a facing on the neckline, you can as well use bias tape on it. So I'll go ahead and sew through the neckline like so, after which I will turn it over. I'll sew with 1/2 inch and flip it to the other side. I'll sew the front and back neckline, then after which I'll show you the next thing I will do. So guys, I've turned the neckline, you can see, and I went ahead to fold in the facing. This for both the front and the back. I folded the down part of the facing. So I'll go ahead and notch the neckline round. Now after turning the neckline, you can see the next thing, I went ahead to fold the down parts. So the next thing I will do is to close up, put it together like so. This is the back. Just run a small stitch on it. Just hold it small here. I will just take it like 1 inch here. I'll just sew through here like so. The same thing to the second one. Just 1 inch. After joining, the next thing is to now close it up. I'll fold it together like so. From the shoulder here, I will measure 10 inches from here. Now the waist measurement is 25 inches. Divided into 4 will give me 6.2 inches. So this is 6.2 inches here. I will make it 17 inches. Then from this point, I will take it straight. Just like so. I will sew through like so. I'll just close up 1 inch at the shoulder, then from here to here, but I will not sew from this plinted side. Just I will stop at this point, the same line here. I will just close it up, after which I will show you the final look of the dress. So guys, after sewing, this is how it looks. You can see how beautiful and lovely it looks. This is a circled and butterfly dress. You can see from this neckline, from the shoulder line, I measured 10.5 inches. I measured 10.5 and I slanted it on both sides. I've already joined it. This A line. This is where I stitch from this point to this point. I measured 10.5 from the neckline to this place and I took it slant like so. You can see this is the side. I will go ahead and weave the edges. You can see how the sleeve side and as well the butterfly side. You can see how it looks. This is the back. I'll go ahead and fix my hook and eye on it to close up the back slit. And this is the front. This is the down part. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and bye until I see my next video.